Hi everyone. In today's session, we will explore the Selenium IDE feature, test execution speed. Okay, this is a feature provided in Selenium IDE. Using that feature, you can slow the execution of script in Selenium IDE, and you can adjust accordingly. Okay, let me show you a demo. Uh, let's launch Chrome browser and let's launch Selenium IDE. Okay, create a new test project and the name is automation testing. Okay, rename task case to um, task case 1. Okay, so guys, I'm not having it right now in test case in my Selenium IDE. Let me record one scenario. Record google.com, start recording. Okay, search Wikipedia. Okay, Google search, click on Wikipedia. Okay, close, stop recording. So guys, we just recorded one simple scenario, performing Wikipedia search on Google and then clicking on a Wikipedia page on Google search results and then just closing browser. Okay, these are just 10 commands on a browser. Okay, so we were talking about task execution speed. You can set it from here. Okay, this is the feature of Selenium ID to test to set test execution speed. By default it's fast. Okay, so let me run this scenario. We can compare the fast execution and slow execution. Okay, have a look. It's very fast. It's get executed very fast. Okay, uh, guys, one second. Let me I think it's not finding this scenario. Let me delete this command. Okay, let me run this case again. It's launching browser, searching Wikipedia. Okay, so task case got passed. Okay, let me show you the time taken by the script. Guys, have a look. In the fast speed, this script takes around 23 and a half to 24:16. So you can take 16 seconds this one and 24 seconds this one. So this script took 40 seconds in fast speed. Okay, let me set the text execution speed as slow. Now I will run this test case again. Now we'll check how much time this will take. Guys, have a look. Now it's running in very slow mode. It's taking much time as compared to fast speed. But now you have better visibility, right? You can see the operations performed by Selenium IDE in slow speed. Okay, when it was fast, you were not able to see some operations because it was too fast. Now let's find the time taken by the script. Okay, we started at 23:36 and it ended at 28 seconds, 1 minute 28 seconds, and around 22:50. So this script took around 2 minutes. Okay, so it's a like it's taking 3 times time as compared to fast speed. Okay, we can set it in medium also. It as per your requirement you can set it. Okay, you can modify it from slow to fast. I'm just giving you example. In a fast mode your script is taking only 40 seconds, but in slow mode script is taking around 2 minutes 40 seconds. Okay, so that's the difference. Now you can adjust this pointer uh, too slow if you want to run the script in very slow mode. Okay, and you can move it to middle somewhere, or you can move it to fast also. Fast is the default setting for test execution speed. Okay, you can find this setting here. Okay, So if you want to after recording the test case, if you want to run the script and if you want to see like how operations are performed on browser, because in a fast speed you can sometimes you miss some action like clicking on an element, moving mouse over, right, and performing some operations like typing in a text box, because it's too fast in Selenium IDE. Sometimes you miss like what is going on in the browser. You can just set the test execution speed to slow, and you can have a better look on the execution of Selenium IDE script. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much.